Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW 2 Series versus 3 Series. Let's dive into the key differences to help you decide which model best suits your needs. We'll explore their sizes, performance characteristics, and overall driving feel. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. Get ready to discover the ideal BMW for your lifestyle. When it comes to size, the 2 Series is the more compact option, making it nimble for city driving and easier to park. The 3 Series, however, provides a more spacious interior, especially for rear passengers, and a larger trunk by several cubic feet. If you frequently carry passengers or need extra cargo space, the 3 Series clearly has an advantage in practicality. In terms of performance, the 2 Series, with its smaller footprint, often delivers a more direct and sporty driving sensation, feeling incredibly agile. The 3 Series, while still very capable, tends to offer a more refined and comfortable ride, better suited for longer journeys. Both cars uphold BMW's reputation for strong engines and excellent handling, but their driving personalities differ. Considering cost, the 2 Series typically presents a more accessible entry point into BMW ownership, with a lower starting price. The 3 Series, while pricier, often includes more standard features and a higher level of luxury. Your choice depends on your budget and what features are most important to you. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.